Okay, this is a quick video to explain what a optimized page or post is and what that means for your website and how that looks on the front and on the back end. So I'm on a page right now that we're going to look at as an example. So I'm going to jump to the back end of this website here. And back here, you'll kind of see this is the content editor. There's lots of content in here. We got a couple of images. But what we're really doing is we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And we're going to look at this section here called Yoast SEO. Now, you may have Yoast SEO installed on your website. You may have some other SEO tool, such as All-in-One SEO or Rank Math SEO. All of these are very popular search engine optimization plugins that are available through the WordPress repository. Most of them have a free version. In this case, we're using Yoast, and you'll notice something right here on the very top called a focus key phrase. And the focus key phrase is actually, and this is the definition that they give you here, let's see, it's a input field for every page on your site. Here you can enter the keyword or key phrase that you like the page to rank for in Google. So that is the phrase that you're trying to optimize your page or your post around. You're trying to get this particular page right here to show up in Google for this search phrase. So that's the focus keyword. And so when we say we're going to optimize a page or we're going to optimize a blog post or article on your website, what that means is we're going to designate a focus key phrase or keyword or search term. All of those are used interchangeably, so you may hear me kind of fluctuate between those three terms. We're going to select the focus key phrase and we're going to optimize your page content around that phrase to give it the best possible opportunity to show up for search when somebody searches for that particular phrase. So as you can see here, as I'm looking at the SEO Yoast tool, it's giving me a preview of what the search engine might show when it's showing our website here. When I scroll down, the most important thing I'm looking for here is this SEO analysis, and I want this to be a nice, happy, green, smiley face. What that means is it means the content has been properly optimized around and for my selected focus key phrase, which is fantastic. And so you'll see it gives us lots of different suggestions on things that we can implement in order to help improve our page or post's visibility on a search engine for that key phrase. And so we go through these recommendations and suggestions and we fully optimize the content, the images, etc., all of the technical stuff on the back end around that phrase to give it the best possible opportunity to show up for the phrase. And so that's what that really means. You'll normally notice like kind of a green button if you're using Yoast on a particular page. It just means that the post has been properly optimized and you're giving yourself the best possible opportunity that you can to get this page found for that search term. Now watch what happens when I change this, for example, to, let's say, housekeeping companies. All of a sudden my SEO gets frowny. I have a orange frown instead of a green smiley because now all of my content that I created is no longer properly optimized around the search term that I'm trying to rank for. So that means if I wanted to change my focus key phrase, I'd have to go back in here and rewrite much of my content and go back through these recommendations. See, these are all red now, and make sure that I am updating all of these recommendations to give myself the best opportunity to show up in search for my new key phrase. Of course, we're not going to do that right now. We're going to just leave this as is, but this is simply to show you what would happen and how the tool actually works in grading your page's content and its technical markup. So that's all there is to it. Just wanted to show you what it means when we say an optimized page or a fully optimized post or a fully optimized article. We're saying we're going to select a focus key phrase for that page or article, and we are going to optimize it to give it the best possible opportunity to show up in search for that phrase. Okay? Thanks for watching.